remember this from Outward. May nagsabi sa akin, kapag mahal ka, babalikan ka.
Anong pinaka-sweet na bagay na ginawa niya for you?
Halos yung karamihan po ng songs in this album.
That song was for Isa.
Oh yes, that's talaga yung inspiration for a lot of the songs I've written. Actually, all of the songs I've written